Hello guys, the name still remains Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. Today we are going to look at how you'll be able to make money with your smartphone. This is working 100% guys, and I'm going to share with you how and the processes that we need to follow in order to get some cash online. So guys, working online has become the order of the day. You can make a lot of cash online only if you know what to do, you know how to do, and you know when to do. Alright, so today I'm going to explain to you how you can make money online. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and give it a comment, and make sure you also share this particular video to others to also enjoy. Now, I want you not to skip any part of this video because I'm going to show you every step-by-step procedure that you need to follow. If you skip any part of this video, you wouldn't get the concept or you wouldn't be able to do it well as is expected. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Now let's get into it. So what you need to do is make sure you open your web browser, and then when you open your web browser, you type in the website Partner Stack. You can even just search it on Google and then you get a link from there. So you tap on it, Partner Stack. And guys, I'm already logged in. So what I will do is I'll log out so that we'll start from scratch. You'll be able to understand the whole process here. This is actually a way for you to earn money online with your smartphone. Now, if you want to sign in to Partner Stack, we have two ways. It's either you sign in with your Google or you use an email. So you can enter your email account here or email address here, but I'm going to use sign in with Google so that it will speed up the process for me. So what I will do is I'll pick an account right now. So I'm going to tap on this account. I'm going to use this account, and then it will keep on loading to show you the next step to do. So it says sign in with Google account. So the website will take me to this place, and then it says all programs you join on Partner Stack would identify you by your company name. So we'll type our company here name, the name here, which I'm going to type. I will put in Sidako. Sidako, I will say Sidako affiliate, or you can say Sidako company. When you're done, make sure you tap on this. Use the name of my name as my company name. Then you click on continue. Now, when you come to this section, it says Partner Stock is a marketplace that has a ton of different companies to explore. Here are few you love. So these are programs that you'll be able to consider using. With Partner Stack, what you do is that there's a company or product that comes online that you are supposed to help the companies to promote their product, and then you also earn some cash out of it. So all these like Coca-Cola, like other big companies like Puma and etc., they are here for people to promote their product. And whenever you promote and then enrich other people, you also get or earn something out of it. So the looker says earn 25% of every sale. You understand? So if you're able to make people make sales out of the looker, you earn 25% of every sale that you make. So you go to explore marketplace. Good. And when you come to explore marketplace, there are so many places that you can earn, programs that you can earn. So we have Elementor affiliate and etc. You earn 50%. But we are going to look at a certain market here or product here. So we'll type in the product called Thrive. So it is THRIV. So this is Thrive. So with a Thrive program, what you need to do is that it says Thrive automate your tax and put your customers at the center of your business with one easy to use software. So what happens here is that you earn 15%. You understand? With Thrive, you earn a lot of money by sharing a link that will be given to you by partners tag to friends. And whenever anyone signs up, you understand? Anyone signs up with Thrive, you earn. You are able to earn about $10. And just imagine if you are able to get 100 people or 200 people. If you get 100 people times $10, you are getting about $1,000, which you can make it throughout the week. And this is a cool cash. So all that you need to do is just go to apply to program. Don't skip any part of this video because every single step matters in the process. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share. So it says you are applying to Thrive with this team. So this is the email. You click on continue, and then here they will ask you your first name, your last name. You have to provide all this information, your email, and then your phone number. So phone number, make sure you begin with +233. Then you enter your other number, and then you type your company name here. So Sidako affiliate. So that's the company name you are using. You understand? Now, when you come to this part, it says, are you an agency looking to be involved in the sales? So it says, are you an agency partner or you are affiliate lead? So we'll pick affiliate lead only. And then when you come to this part, it says, what is your website URL and all that. Now I'm going to show you a very simple way to go about this. All that you need to do is go back and then go to your YouTube. So visit youtube.com. When you go to YouTube, go to the search box and search for how to make money online. You understand? How to make money online in Ghana or Nigeria. And then the first link that comes, or you pick the most followed or viewed links.
Tell me please, where do you spend most of your time? I'll take you while guessing this.
And then what you do is you click on the person's name and then you go to about the person. When you come here, you see a link here which is www.youtube road to world 1. Just copy this link. You copy. You come back to the website. Then you paste it here. Simple as that. And this is also a Facebook link that you can also use, a Facebook link. So you can go to Facebook and the same procedure you follow, and then you copy your Facebook URL there. Then it says what type of content do you publish. So you pick blog, you pick paid ads, you pick coupon site, and then you pick review site. And then it says links to content if applicable. You can ignore that one. And here it's asking you how many people you can attract, or you can bring monthly users that you can bring. You type 15,000 to 100,000. You understand? So then do you have US based client? You said yes. Follow the steps that I'm giving you, and then you go to next.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless.
So guys, after clicking on next, you be greeted with this window. It says Thrive is reviewing your art application. Very important. So in a matter of 4 or 5 hours, your application will be reviewed, and then if you are accepted into the Thrive partnership program, then you are good to go. You'll be able to earn so much money from this if you are approved. The next thing that you need to do is, after you have been approved, you can go to marketplace and you can search for so many products here. Another product product that you can search is wild apricots. word applicant or something like that. We also have Fiverr here and all that. But you realize that their password on this particular product, it means that you need to be accepted into the program before you can add up. So you just need to wait until you are approved. 4 or 5 hours later, you check your Gmail to see if you have received any email from the website. So let me go to Gmail and see if there is a website there. There is a link, a message that has been sent. So I'll go to my email and then realize they have sent me an application congratulating me or thanking me for submitting application. So you wait for a few moments or hours to know whether you have been approved, and you'll be able to continue and then earn so much on this particular website. So guys, make sure you also do this, very important. Go to the withdrawals and rewards and withdrawment, and then you go to add payout provider. Now here you'll be able to connect your PayPal or connect to Stripe. This is where you receive your money whenever the work is done, or whenever they realize that you've done something good and they want to pay you. So if you don't have PayPal account, go through my videos. I have a link under the description on how to create a verified PayPal account. Follow and create one for yourself, and you can connect or link it in your account and you start earning some dollars, guys. So thank you for watching. This has been another episode, and this is also Sidako Tech Lab. Subscribe, like and comment and share this video. I'm out.